You guys are used to the T(n) term formula. So just recall, that's how it looks. Let's take a look at this Sn formula, which looks like this. S stands for the sum. Sum means you're going to be adding. So before it used to be just a sequence of numbers. So I'm just going to give you one example of something like this. Before it used to be commas, now we're going to be adding. All right. As you can see, the first number is A, which is 6. As you can see, you're adding 3 every single time. So the D value is 3. Now, I'm going to make up a question. So say somebody says, what is the sum of the first 20 numbers? Say you have to figure that out. What that means is right now you only have 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you want to add 20 numbers, I guess one option is you can actually figure out all those 20 numbers by adding 3 every single time. So that's one option, but that's taking too long. So if you can figure out the 20th number, so there's T1, T2, T3, but if you can just find out that T20, the magic happens right there. Add the first and the last, and then multiply that by 20, and then divide that by 2, and I guess you're going to get the summation of all the numbers. So first up, we have to find T20. To get S20, you have to get T20. So use your good old Tn formula, 6 plus 20 minus 1 times 3. So that's 6 plus 19 times 3. That's 6 plus 57. So 63 turned out to be T20. Number 2. Now it's time to use the sum formula. So n over 2, a plus Tn. If this is 20, then that's 20. And also that's 20, T20. So 20 over 2, a value was 6, and it's T20. T20 is not 20, but we figured that out to be 63. 20 divided by 2 is 10, which is that. That's going to be 69. 6 plus that, and then 690 is the summation of the entire numbers. So if you're bored, you can actually add all those 20 numbers, put them into the calculator. It'll turn out